Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve numericals from the exercise 2.5. This exercise is under CBSE Standard 7 syllabus from the chapter Fraction and Decimal. So this is the first question. Into that we have to find out which number is greater. So the first is 0.5 or 0.05. So let us first arrange them into their fraction. So this is 0.5. So its fraction form is 5 into denominator 10. Now 0.05 is there. So its fraction form is 5 in the denominator 100 is there. So here 5/10th is there and here 5/100th is there. So this number is smaller than this number because into this denominator 100 is there. This number will be smaller than this number. So here 0.5 is greater. 0.5 is greater than 0.05. As into the denominator, as zeros are increasing, for example 10, 100 and 1000, likewise the number's value will decrease. So here third number, if it was 0.005 will be there, then this number is the smallest. Then this number will be the smallest compared to this number and this number because in its denominator 1000 will be there. So this number will be the smallest among all these two. Then second is 0.7 or 0.5. So from these two numbers, let us convert them into its fractional form. 0.7 equals to 7 in denominator 10 is there and 0.5. So 5 in denominator 10 is there. Now here both denominator are equal. Both denominator are equal. So value of this two number from the decimal are equal. So now we have to check which number is greater. Now we have to check which number is greater. So 7 number is greater. So here 0.7 is greater than 0.5 because after decimal they are placed at the same value. After decimal they are placed at the same value, at the same place value. So here 7 is bigger, so that's why 0.7 is bigger than 0.5. If here for example 0.07 was there and 0.5 was there, then 0.5 will become greater because into this denominator only 10 is there and into its denominator 100 will be there. So here 0.5 is greater than 0.07, but here after decimal they are at the same placed value. So here 7 is greater, 0.7 is greater. Now 7 or 0.7. So always whole numbers are greater than decimals. Always whole numbers are greater than decimal. For example, if we are taking 2 and 0.7. So into that, this two numbers also 2 is greater than 0.7 because into its decimal 10 is there. So 2 is greater than 0.7. So it is depending upon whether they are whole number or decimal. Then whole number will be always greater. And if they both are decimal, then we have to look for that into the denominator 10 are there or 100 are there or 1000 are there. As the denominators increase 10, 100 and 1000, the value of that number will decrease. The value of that number will decrease. The fourth numerical, 1.37 or 1.49. So here it is going to be 137 in division 100 and it is 149 in denominator 100 is there. So both are having 100 in their denominator. So let us check this number. Which number is greater? This number is greater. So we can write straight away that this number is greater. Why we have done that? Because into the denominator both are 100. Into both denominator 100 are there. So we can write this number is greater than this number because after decimal the place values are same. Now here 2.03 or 2.30. So 203 in denominator 100 is there and 230 in denominator 100 is there. So now in both denominator 100 are there. So after decimal their place values are same. So here let us check this number. Which number is greater, 203 or 230? 230 is greater. So 2.30 is greater than 2.03. If both are having the same decimal point, if both are having the same numbers after decimal point, then we can actually look for the real number. Which one is the greater, that we can mention. Now 0.8 or 0.88. Here 0.8 means 0.80. 0.8 means 0.80. So now from 0.80 and 0.88, which one is the greater? So here when we will write them into the fraction form, we will write 80 in denominator 100 and 88 in denominator 100. When they are having the same denominator, we will look for the numerator. That which is greater? This one is the greater, right? This one is the greater. So 0.88 is greater than 0.80. When they are having the same denominator, we will look for the numerator. We will look for the numerator. And into that, this is greater, so that means this number is greater.